Hello, today we are going to model the beam reinforcement using generic model in place option. So I am going to edit the generic model which I have already created. Now I am going to create a new extrusion. First I will select the right work plane. Then I have to create a U-shaped layer of 0.5 centimeters around this structural framing. The width of this element is 20 centimeters and there is also a 20 centimeters of spacing between each reinforcement. But before that I need to correct the extents of this beam since it is going inside the other element. Yeah, looks fine now. Now I need to add the right material, which in this case is type 1 for this reinforcement. One thing I need to make sure is that it must not overlap with the other layer of reinforcement which I had modeled earlier under this beam. So I moved it 0.5 centimeters down. Now I am going to copy it. We need to maintain a pitch of 20 centimeters between each element. So that means to copy it 40 centimeters considering 20 centimeters as the width of each strip. Now copy it to other places as per the design drawing. Comment down below if you need to know the shortcut keys I keep on using. The location, dimensions, type of reinforcement material are specified by the structural designer. Similarly, I have to model the strip reinforcement on other beams or framing elements. These reinforcement layers hold an important role in providing extra support to these existing elements of the building. Make sure to read and understand the warning before taking any action on it. I have to adjust the extensive section box to be able to see only the area I am working on in the left view. So now I am going to repeat the same steps to model the reinforcement for this beam. I have to move the extrusion back up 0.5 centimeters for this area since there is no first layer of reinforcement under this part. Always make sure while modeling that no elements interfere with each other. The best industry practice is first avoid the clashes, and if that cannot be achieved, then we must try to reduce them. Anyways, we will need to correct the interferences in the later stages of the project. Yeah, looks great now. And don't forget to save your progress. See you next time.